When it comes to upgrading a home, few investments make as significant an impact as windows and doors. They influence not just the look of a house, but also its comfort, security, and energy efficiency. For homeowners, the choice of who installs these crucial elements matters just as much as the products themselves. That's why so many turn to St. James Windows and Doors, a company known for delivering lasting quality and customer satisfaction. A legacy of craftsmanship. Homeowners trust St. James Windows and Doors because of its unwavering commitment to craftsmanship. Each window and door is designed with precision, ensuring durability and timeless style. Rather than mass-producing generic products, the company takes a detail-oriented approach. This dedication means that every homeowner receives windows and doors that not only function beautifully but also complement their home's unique character. Energy efficiency that saves money. One of the biggest reasons customers choose St. James is the focus on energy-efficient solutions. The company provides advanced products that keep homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. By reducing drafts and minimizing energy loss, these windows and doors help lower utility bills. For families looking to save money while also reducing their environmental footprint, this energy-conscious design is a major benefit. Superior material. Built to last. Durability is at the heart of every St. James installation. The company sources only high-quality materials, whether it's sturdy frames, impact-resistant glass, or weatherproof finishes. These materials ensure that windows and doors stand up to years of use, even in challenging climates. Homeowners appreciate the peace of mind that comes with knowing their investment is built to last. Professional installation makes the difference. Even the best products won't perform properly without expert installation. St. James Windows and Doors employs trained professionals who handle every step with care. From accurate measurements to secure fittings, the installation process is seamless and precise. This attention to detail means fewer issues over time, ensuring that windows and doors perform at their peak from day one. A reputation for trust and service. Beyond quality products and expert installation, St. James has built a reputation for outstanding customer service. Homeowners consistently highlight the company's reliability, transparent pricing, and responsive communication. Whether answering questions, offering guidance on product choices, or addressing concerns after installation, the team prioritizes customer satisfaction at every step. This commitment to service has earned St. James repeat clients and referrals from happy homeowners. Enhancing both style and security. Windows and doors are more than just functional, they're an essential part of a home's design and safety. St. James offers a wide selection of styles, colors, and finishes, allowing homeowners to choose options that reflect their personal taste. At the same time, the products are engineered with advanced security features, such as reinforced locks and impact-resistant glass, to keep families safe. By combining beauty with protection, the company ensures homeowners don't have to compromise. A partner for the long term. For St. James, the relationship doesn't end once the installation is complete. The company offers warranties and ongoing support, reinforcing its commitment to long-term value. Homeowners know that if they ever need maintenance, adjustments, or advice, the St. James team will be there to help. This reliability is one of the strongest reasons customers return to the company time and again. Final thoughts. Choosing the right windows and doors is a decision that affects a home for decades. Homeowners trust St. James windows and doors because of the company's craftsmanship, superior materials, energy efficiency, professional installation, and exceptional service. It's not just about upgrading a house, it's about making a lasting investment in comfort, safety, and style. For those looking for windows and doors that deliver true value, St. James has proven itself to be a name that homeowners can count on for years to come.